when you don't have a cup grinder shield, but you're gonna cup grind and make a mess, you make one. Is this gonna work? Pretty sure this is how they built the pyramids. No one knows. It could be this. Yeah, totes.